Okay guys, little update on what we're doing on the boat. You see, she's cleaning. I'm sitting here doing videos, being lazy. So we took off the windows, and my lovely wife is cleaning that up. And since I can show you the other side of what the boat looked like before
It's still got
we did this.
look at all this dirt coming off of it like this.
Yes, that's oxidation.
Yeah, look
Oxidization.
at that. All oxidation.
So,
But when you get it off, it gets all shiny.
okay. So we come in here, we're picking up all our tools off the floor. We're going to start working to finish the floor. We still have more engine work to do. I got to get that distributor stabbed, and our mechanic took out the distributor, and you have to put in a top dead center number 1. So with the valve cover off, it's going to be a little harder, but I'll show you how to do that. And you see right here, you see how white that is? That's just oxidization. So we want the boat to hopefully someday shine like we're doing out here. But we'll keep you abreast with our progress. Yes, it's hot. And we'll, of course, have another update video. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there, looks like that. And if you want great recipes, things like that, go check us out on our blog at chrisdoeswhat.com or dininginwithdanielle.com. That girl right there, awesome cook. So, y'all please take care.